Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable Claude Fable 5. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. This is the starting point where you can create a fresh conversation and access the available model options. If you are not already there, make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on, so all controls are visible and ready to use. Once you are on the new chat screen, look toward the bottom right corner of the text box area. You will see a small drop-down menu. This menu is where Claude lets you choose between different model options. The icon can be easy to miss at first because it is fairly small, so take a moment to locate it carefully. When you find it, click the drop-down to open the list of available choices. After the menu opens, look through the available options and click on Fable 5. Selecting this option switches your chat to that model. This is the key step that enables Claude Fable 5 for your current conversation. After you select it, you may notice the interface update to reflect the new model choice. If needed, give the page a second to respond before clicking anywhere else. At this point, you may see that access to Fable 5 requires a subscription. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen upgrade process. The platform will guide you through what is needed to continue. Be sure to read each screen carefully so you understand what plan or access level is required. Once the subscription process is complete, you should be able to return and select Fable 5 successfully. If the option does not appear right away, it can help to refresh the page or reopen the model selector after your subscription is active. In many cases, the feature becomes available immediately, but a quick refresh can make sure the interface updates properly. And that's all it takes to enable Claude Fable 5. Start at the new chat page, open the small drop-down in the bottom right of the text box, choose Fable 5, and if prompted, complete the subscription steps shown on screen. Following these steps carefully should get you set up quickly and smoothly.